Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 214D. This is a dark bronze anodized aluminum saddle type residential threshold. The 214 is representative of this profile, which means that it is typically seen in exterior residential applications. The 214 refers to this profile and the dimensional properties of it naturally, which we'll go over in a moment. The D means dark bronze anodized. This is an aluminum-based material, anodized dark bronze, also available in the A finish, which would be a 214A, mill aluminum finish, and then a G finish, which would be gold anodized aluminum. Now, the dimensional properties of this, let's go over that next. And there is an image below this video showing that information. 4-inch is the overall width, very common for a residential installation. 1 1/16 is the height. Okay. Now, again, where you're going to use this, a situation that you have about 1 1/8 undercut below a wood door would be common for this. And residential applications typically have higher undercuts because of thicker floor conditions like carpeting and whatnot. So that's where you're going to see this primarily. In a commercial application, you're really not going to see this very often because it's too tall for typical commercial type doors, is the bottom line. That 1 1/16 requirement is too great. In a residential application, you're going to normally have a door sweep involved. Your door is going to reside over the plateaued area here. There'd be a door sweep, installed on one side or the other, generally on the pull side. You might have a sweep come and, just communicate right to the back side of this threshold, seal that off real nice. I, quite frankly, would be tempted to use an automatic door bottom, something that would most likely be mortised to the bottom of the door, so that I had my seal here, or even better, I had a seal that was, potentially out here. But the problem with that is you've got this high sort of berm. Anything you're going to put on there is going to literally drag over the top of this. But such is as it is with weather stripping. You might install a drip cap onto the door to help keep any water from hitting there and driving it away. That would be a very good item to add, to augment an existing installation or a new installation with a 214D. Okay, used primarily in conjunction with a door bottom, a door sweep. As mentioned earlier, a door bottom would make a lot of sense. A U-shaped door bottom, because you'll be able to fill that area real nice, rather than either out here or on the inside only. Available in several different lengths in the website. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by indicating the net length in the comment field of the next longest piece. So if you needed a custom length, order the next longest piece and indicate that there in the comment field. The reasoning is this: the factory will not only cut it to length, they'll locate that first countersink at the proper distance from the edge, but also the proper center to center as well. Imagine if you had to take this 4-foot piece and cut it down to 42-inch. Not that that would be typical for residential applications, but it could be. You would eliminate that first countersink that's there. And by the way, speaking of that countersink, 2 things. You'll see a little bit of reflection here. That's just the lubricant that was used during the countersinking process. That's number 1. Number 2, screws are included. These are going to be like a number 10 by 2 1/4, something in that range. Flathead wood screw. So if you ordered a custom length, we're going to give you that countersink at the proper distance from the edge, saving you the trouble of having to do it. Because it'll be more than just drilling a hole. It'll be countersinking it as well. So I'll be happy to accommodate that. The name Pemko is synonymous with all things weather stripping related. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line product catalog and review all things weather stripping from Pemko, not only residential, but commercial as well. Thresholds, perimeter gasketing, door sweeps, material made of aluminum like this, stainless steel, architectural bronze as well. If you have any questions on the Pemko 214D residential type saddle threshold in a dark bronze finish, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.